So when I was a lot younger, maybe early 2000s, 2001 too, I used to be big into like space stuff, like space movies, everything about space. I used to think about it all the time, think about what space is like, traveling through space. And then I watched this documentary that featured the guy in the wheelchair, Steven, whatever his name is, whatever. And they were talking about space travel and specifically like traveling to other planets, like the moon. I meant to say Mars, like Mars. And the difficulty in doing something like that with space travel, like the Mars being, so many light years away, like a light year, like even just one light year. Like, can you even imagine how far away that is, right? So they postulated that in order to travel to these other planets, we would need like cryogenic technology, like advanced technology, because that would take like hundreds of years, because you'd have to be able to put the person like in a like freeze cryogenic chamber so that they could pass the time until they got to their destination, right? So then after watching that documentary, I was kind of bummed. I was like, well, it doesn't seem like space travel is going to be happening anytime soon for us, right? Like, okay. And then fast forward to 10 years later, and I've got the television telling me that we've landed a rover on Mars. And granted, at first I was really befuddled and confused. And the only reason that I even bought it for a minute and believed it was because, I guess there weren't any people on the rover, I guess. They just sent machines. But then still, would you send them 200 years ago on that mission to Mars there? The whole concept is silly. Their math is silly. The fact that they think that we can see stars that are light years away, that our vision could actually see a light that is light years away. Light years. Can you even fathom how far that is? It's so unfathomable how far that is. But yet our eyes can see light years away. We've got these laser eyes or something. I just find it funny. The whole bit about space travel and space, all of it is just funny. It's really nothing more than cartoonic antics. And we believe it because, that's what we're told. Why would we doubt it, right? Our teachers are telling us this, And until the truth smacks you in the face, I guess you'll always doubt it.